Good morning, Gordon. Good morning, Gordon. A fellow scientist. Greetings, Freeman. Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples under a microscope? You can't be serious. I can't take much more of this. I predicted all of this, you know. Do you know who ate all the donuts?
This is your lucky day. There's a rocket-propelled grenade launcher in there, laser sight and everything. Now, if you can figure a way in, you'll be an even match for these bastards.
Whoa! Oh, dear!
Yeah, are you thinking what I'm thinking? You'd better kill it.
Oh, no. Pick up that gun and shoot it! Thank God you're here. I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today, Gordon.
What the hell are these things?
Stay
and
back!
why are they wearing
Gordon!
science team uniforms? Hey, what did I ever do to you? Can we do this later? Stand back. Are you crazy? Hey, stop that. Man, why aren't we using it? Hey, what the hell are you doing down here? Come on, Gordon. You trying to get me into trouble? Hey, step off, buddy.
Well, do you have any idea what to do next? Of course not. Freeman, you fool!
Don't make me do this. I wish it hadn't come to this.
All right, as I expected. That sound. Oh! What is it?
You bastard! This is all happening because of you scientists.